Okay, yeah, it's from a guy's perspective. You're expecting a woman to give you this advice, but yeah, saving money as a housewife can be both rewarding and practical, okay? Here are some effective strategies for your women. Start by creating a budget to track your household income and expenses. Identify essential expenses and find where you can cut back, such as dining out or entertainment. If you learn how to cook, it's easy after. Focus on meal planning at home, cooking at home. Preparing meals in advance can save you money and basically reduce food waste. Use grocery lists to avoid impulse purchases and take advantage of sales and discounts. Consider taking on some small side gigs, freelance work that fits your schedule, such as tutoring or crafting. Direct any extra income into your savings. All right? Now, use budgeting apps to monitor your savings, and this will help you stay motivated and see your progress over time. Look for ways to save on household expenses. For example, compare utility providers, shop for better insurance rates, find cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Lastly, set specific savings goals, whether you're, saving for an emergency fund, vacations, or for larger purchases. And by implementing these strategies, you can effectively save money and contribute to your household's financial health.